your Search Console data inside the assistant you already use. Most MCP servers dump raw rows into the model, leaving room to invent numbers. GSC Wizard runs the analysis server-side, a full SEO report in 4.4 seconds. First, create an API key under Account API keys, read only or read and write, shown once, revocable anytime. Add one connector, mcp.gscwizard.com, Claude, ChatGPT, or any MCP client. Now just ask, organic down 20%, it finds the day traffic actually broke and what moved with it. Ask what to work on next week. It ranks opportunities by estimated clicks using your own CTR curve. With the right key, it writes the report, saves it, and grants your client access with their own login. Real numbers, no guessing. Connect the GSC Wizard MCP in about 2 minutes.